Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 5th, 2026, and we're diving into the first quarter earnings report of Toro, a leading global provider of solutions for the outdoor environment. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Toro has just released their fiscal 2026 Q1 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their strong sales performance to their raised full-year guidance.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Toro reported net sales of $1 billion for the first quarter, marking a 4% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The growth was primarily driven by strong execution in both the professional and residential segments. The professional segment, in particular, saw a 7.2% increase in net sales thanks to higher shipments of snow and ice management products and the recent acquisition of Tornado infrastructure equipment. This acquisition has been a strategic move, contributing to their top-line growth.
And how about their profitability?
Toro's adjusted EPS came in at 74 cents, up 14% from the previous year, beating the analyst forecast of 65. This improvement in profitability is attributed to operational efficiencies and effective cost management, despite facing higher material and manufacturing costs.
Segment performance. John, can you break down the performance of Toro's segments for us?
Sure. The professional segment reported net sales of $824 million, a 7.2% increase from last year, driven by strong demand for snow and ice management products and the Tornado acquisition. On the other hand, the residential segment saw a decline in net sales to $206 million, down 6.8% year over year, primarily due to lower shipments of lawn care products.
What about the profitability of these segments?
The professional segment's earnings improved to $137.6 million, reflecting a margin expansion to 16.7%. However, the residential segment's earnings decreased to $13.2 million, with margins contracting due to higher material costs and lower sales volume.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Let's talk about operational efficiencies. How has Toro managed its costs this quarter?
Toro's gross margin was 32.5%, slightly down from last year due to higher material costs. However, they managed to reduce SG&A expenses to 24.1% of sales thanks to cost-saving measures and sales leverage. This has helped them maintain strong operating earnings.
And looking ahead, what is Toro's outlook for the rest of the year?
Toro has raised its full-year guidance, now expecting net sales growth between 3% and 6.5%, and adjusted EPS in the range of $4.40 to $4.60. This optimistic outlook is supported by strong demand in their key markets and the positive impact of the Tornado acquisition.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. What insights did CEO Richard M. Olson share about Toro's strategic direction?
CEO Richard M. Olson emphasized their focus on investing in technology and innovation to enhance customer productivity. He highlighted the AMP program, which is delivering significant cost savings and productivity benefits. The acquisition of Tornado infrastructure equipment is also a key strategic move, expected to drive growth and competitive advantage.
It sounds like Toro is positioning itself well for future growth.
Indeed, with a diverse portfolio and strategic initiatives in place, Toro is well positioned to capitalize on market opportunities and maintain its growth trajectory.
Key takeaways. In summary, Toro has delivered a strong first quarter with impressive sales and earnings growth, beating expectations and raising their full-year guidance. John, any final thoughts on Toro's investment prospects?
Toro's strong execution, strategic acquisitions, and focus on innovation make it a compelling investment opportunity. Their raised guidance reflects confidence in their growth strategy, making them a stock to watch.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Toro's performance in the comments below.